Oliver and Marina. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here at Cebu Safari and Adventure Park, we're not just about making fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species and provide them with safer habitats. And most especially to educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife. The vegetation around here can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220